Epidemiologist Dr. Avery Hinds confirms that pregnant women will soon be administered the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. The decision was taken following a meeting on Tuesday with stakeholders from the various regional health authorities, PAHO, CARPHA, as well as obstetricians and gynecologists in both the public and private sectors. Just last week, the CDC in the U.S. announced new evidence that it said strengthens its recommendation that pregnant people get vaccinated with an mRNA vaccine. Dr. Hinds says there was consensus at Tuesday's meeting on the use of the Pfizer vaccine for pregnant women.
The ministry is indeed in a position to recommend the use of this Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for pregnant women beyond the first trimester of pregnancy. Additional details on the rule out, the communication plan, the way in which this will be executed will be brought to you by the Director of the Directorate of Women's Health in a subsequent press conference.
Dr. Hinds says no other group besides children ages 12 to 18 and pregnant women have been approved to take the Pfizer jab.
At this point, there isn't any additional change in consideration with respect to who else will be able to utilize said vaccine. If any changes come up, then those will, of course, be brought to the attention of the public.
Meanwhile, he says the Sinopharm vaccines are not being considered for use in children as early as 3 years unless certain recommendations or global findings on that vaccine have been conducted.
Once there is additional information that reaches the level of scientific consensus at the WHO level, it says, yes, this has proven itself to be safe and effective, then we'll very happily move to additional interventions.
Earlier this month, the UAE began to administer the Sinopharm vaccine to children aged 3 to 17 years following clinical trials and extensive evaluations in that country. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.